I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube about how to get these rusted on wheel bearings off. I obviously was successful here, but this is the spot where it rusts, right in here, and it almost welds itself right to the spindle here, the steering knuckle. But anyway, I tried the pipe wrench on there, the hammer method. I wasn't brave enough to try the steering wheel method, where you put a socket on the back of this and then turn your steering wheel against the frame. It just didn't seem like a good idea. But I saw one video on YouTube where a guy took some thread connectors, and he was able to get in between here with those and pop it off that way. So I bought this kit with the slide hammer because I got 2 trucks that I have to use as a contractor on my mail route. And I bought this whole kit for pulling. And there was a 2-way cross block in here. So I thought, well, if I can... And I just put my crescent wrench across here, like this, and then seated that there. And then just turned against it. Once I got this turned out enough, I started, there was a gap that opened up in here, and I was able to put this PB Blaster, the penetrating catalyst in there, to see if I could get that rust to separate. But I had turned this out enough. I was gonna go on the bottom, but this opened up enough that I was able to get a chisel in there and just kind of knock it loose. And I just kept working my way around this. The old one I didn't care about. So this is your ABS sensor where it attaches. I didn't really care about that. So I was able to just work my way back down here with the hammer on each side, and it just kept opening and opening and opening. And I just kind of worked my way past that and down to here. And the next thing you know, I was able to get a smaller mechanics hammer in there and finally knock this out. So hopefully this may help somebody else in in this situation that has this same set of tools. So good luck, and hopefully this will help.